Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I discovered a little something last night that I wanted to share with you. As much as I've been hearing about ChatGPT and all the things that you can do with it, this is something I have not heard that you can do. And what it is, I was trying to ask Gemini through Google where I could find the cheapest place to buy something. And I figured it could use deep search or whatever to search local ads, the local stores, online websites. Surely it could tell me the best price to find. It was an iced tea I was looking
The
for.
cheapest place to buy something really depends on what you're looking to buy. Here's a tip.
It's trying to talk what it was telling me last night. Go away. Let's see, but I've got everything here, what it told me last night, and see, basically I said, so I'm going to have to teach ChatGPT my shopping list, aren't I? So that way it can help me narrow these things out and figure this out. And it said, yes, absolutely. You've hit on a very practical and increasingly common use for large language models, like the one I am and similar to ChatGPT. Teaching it model your shopping preferences and announce and your preferred brand types versus the ones you dislike, and having it help you narrow down and find deals is definitely feasible and quite effective. So basically, it's telling me I can teach the language learning model my grocery list, what I like, don't like, and then it will take what I'm looking for, what I want, and search to get me the best deals. I'm like, really? Is this a thing? So here's how it could work. Teach the model your ins and outs. Explicit list. You can create lists of your favorite brands, flavors, product attributes. You like unsweetened black tea. You prefer peach diet tea from Lipton. I don't like artificial sweeteners like saccharin. Conversely, you can list things that you avoid, like you don't want anything with high fructose corn syrup. You just like overly sweet. You can teach it your past shopping history. If you have a digital record that you could feed into it, potentially feed this information into an advanced system and even manually analyze it to identify your patterns. Feedback and refinement. As you interact with the model, you can provide feedback. You can tell it if you don't like it, if you do like it, avoid similar suggestions in the future, try similar suggestions, whatever you need it to do. You can tell it, thanks, but I found that brand too bitter last time, and it will, learn all this and keep it in mind. The model can help you narrow down deals, filtering options based on your ins and outs. The model can filter through available product information through online flyers and deals, show you only the relevant information and options. For example, if you say you want 0 sugar peach tea, it can filter out regular and all the other versions. Price comparisons. You can ask the model to compare prices for the items across your preferred stores such as Meijer, Kroger, Target. It can potentially analyze online flyers and even use web search to find current prices. Deal identification. You can ask the model to look for specific sales, discounts, promotions, buy one get one free offers, percentage discounts, bundle deals, nutritional information if you want. Generate a prioritized shopping list based on your preferences. Find the deals it finds. The model could help you create a prioritized shopping list, perhaps highlighting the best value options first. Answering specific questions. Does Meijer currently have any coupons for 0 sugar black tea? Which store has the lowest price per ounce for 0 or diet raspberry iced tea? I had no idea it would do all this. Will it work? Yes, with some caveats. Here goes the caveats. The current limitations are, while models like ChatGPT are very powerful, they don't have real-time access to consistently changing inventory, localized deals in every single store. They rely on the information they've been trained on and what you provide. Need for integration. To be truly seamless, they'd have to integrate real-time data such as the store APIs, which is usually not publicly available, or be very adept at web scraping or interpreting flyer information. User effort. You'll need to invest some time to initially teach the model your preferences effectively. The more specific and clear you are, the better results you'll have. Accuracy. Always double check prices. Availability in store and online information might always be perfectly up to date. How you could start. Create a detailed list of your ins and outs for iced tea. That's what I was looking for. But whatever you want it to be. Be as specific as possible about brands, flavors, sweetness levels, and ingredients you prefer or to avoid. Use a platform like ChatGPT or another capable language learning model. Provide the model with your list of preferences and the store you're visiting, Meijer, Kroger, Target, wherever you're potentially bound to go. Ask it a specific question about the deals. Ask it specific questions about deals and prices on zero sugar iced tea at those stores. You might need to provide some initial information from online flyers or store websites to guide it. Refine your prompts and provide feedback to the model based on its responses. Over time, as you interact more with the model and refine your instructions, it can become a very helpful tool for streamlining your shopping and finding the best deals on your preferred items. It's a smart way to leverage AI and make everyday tasks more efficient. So there you go. You can create shopping lists with ChatGPT and have it find all the best deals for all your best foods, all your best drinks, everything on your shopping list. And so there you go. A new way to use ChatGPT besides documents and generating images and all that. Now you can generate shopping lists. Wow. Alright. Just wanted to share. Hopefully this helps somebody out. If you like the contents, like the video, of course, subscribe, all that good stuff. And there's more to come because I'm just digging into some of this stuff and learning stuff. There's another video I want to put out about Google Veo 3. I'm about to dive into it and see what it's all about. So, and I just found out a way to access it for free for 15 months. So I want to make a video about that. So anyway, yeah, happy shopping.